Hey guys, so recently I decided to start back up on hackthebox with their machines. So I started from the bottom with Lame, which is an easy rated machine. I completed it in about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I wrote a Medium article on it. So I'm going to walk you through my article, the steps I took, and show you how I did that live. Hopefully it helps you guys out. Okay, so let's look at the Medium article, and the first step to do is run an nmap scan just like any other machine. So let's go ahead and run the scan. So nmap dash sc dash sv oa lame, and then the IP. You would hit enter here and the scan will run. I'm not going to do this because I've already run it before. I have it saved. So let me show you. It is right here. So cat lame dot nmap. So from this scan, you can see that port 21 is open, port 22, port 139, and 445. The port 21 allows anonymous logins. I don't see any directories here, but let's go ahead and try it, just see what's in there. FTP 10, 10, 3, anonymous, and then let's try an LS. Let's try dir. So nothing there, so that is a dead end. So let's go ahead and exit. So go in here to step 2, tried it, didn't get anywhere. Step 3, Samba. So we see that ports 139 and 445 are open. Port 445 is running Samba 3.0.20. So let's go ahead and do a search exploit here to see if anything exists for that port already. 3.0.20. And actually, let's do it this way. So cool, you see that Metasploit has a module for this right there. So let's go ahead and look on Google now. So because I don't want to use Metasploit, let's do Samba 3.0.20 exploit. Let's go rep at 7. These are the steps you would do if you wanted to use the Metasploit module, but I will not be doing that. So let's see, the CVE is 2007-2447. So let's do CVE 2007-2447. Oops. Exploit. Oh my god, I cannot spell. All right, exploit. So first one up there, we see that there is a GitHub repo right here. Let's read through this. What does this do? This is okay. So this does what we want it to do. Here is the syntax to use it. Here is the installation steps. So what you're gonna want to do is do a sudo apt install python pip, and then second one is pip install, and then get clone to pull down the repo from GitHub. I've already done that, so I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. One thing I noted in my article is that if this is a fresh Kali image, make sure you update and upgrade it, just so you don't run into any issues when you're trying to install the Python pip. So now that we have it downloaded, I have it here, so let's get in there. Oops. Now that we're here, let's run the script. So Python user map, and then the syntax is our host, so the remote host 3, then the port, which is 445, right? Today. Where am I? CD lame cat lame dot nmap. So yeah, so 445 just to verify there. So it's gonna be 445, and then the next one is lhost, so that's gonna be your IP, whatever that is, and then whatever your L port is going to be, meaning whatever your listening port is set to. So I would do that 4565 for me, but you can do whatever you want. So next step would be to set up our Netcat listener. Let me show you how to do that too. Okay, so I open a new tab here. So let's do NC LVP, and then what was the port we were going to use? 4565. So 4565, hit that. So now it's listening. Now go back to first tab or window, whatever you have, and then hit enter, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so I open a new tab here. So let's do NC LVP, and then what was the port we were going to use? 4565. So 4565, hit that. So now it's listening. Now go back to first tab or window, whatever you have, and then hit enter, and then let's see what happens. So I've gone to hit enter. You see connecting, payload was sent, check Netcat. Let's go and check out Netcat. So it says it's connected. Let's see if we have anything. So ls. All right. So we are connected. Are we root? So let's cd into root. Get in there. ls. So we are in root. So the next step would be just to cat root.txt, hit enter, and that would give you the root flag. Super easy. I think this took a lot more or less time now than it did when I initially did it, just because now I got the steps, you know, in my head and I got the article written. So if you like this, please subscribe, follow my channel, and check me out on Twitch where I stream from time to time. Thanks, guys.